Realtors have knowledge that can help you get the most out of your home sale. Realtors have expertise in pricing, paperwork, and negotiation that can help you get the most out of the process. Realtors want to ensure that you understand the importance of these details and are looking out for your best interests. Realtors have access to off-market, distress, and even assignment sales, properties you probably couldn't find on your own. They advise you on the best strategies to get you the most for your home and may have the knowledge of local markets. When selecting a realtor, look for someone who you feel comfortable with and be sure to understand the fees and commission involved in the sale. For more videos like this, please like this video and follow us here. Thanks for watching.